Welcome back to our channel. I'm looking a little bit rough. I went skiing yesterday and my body feels like it's about to break down on me. So, yes. Today's video is going to be a vlog of what we do today. So, yeah. My life is boring. I got my kiddos over here eating, someone really got into that cream cheese. Mr. Beckham over here eating his bagel. How's it going, bro? Nice. I always find it really funny that people want to see vlogs as much as I get asked to do them because, whoa! My life is really just not that cool, guys. I get coffee, take care of my babies, do some stuff, and that's that. Okay, what is happening? This is how I bribe my kids so that I can get ready in the mornings. Oh, they still follow me. All right, now we just have to get ready. I will open it, but only if you shoot. Shoot. Anyways, for makeup, I always do the same thing. I wet this nice beauty blender. I should probably get a new one, honestly. Just take my concealer, because Lord knows I need it. And then I just blend that. I usually watch YouTube videos while I get ready. Today I'm watching Emma Chamberlain. Got the brows happening. Sometimes I get too crazy on the brow products and then I end up looking a little weird. I put on some freckles. I don't know if I hate it or love it. I usually like putting a little freckles on and I got a little crazy today. Okay, bye. I'm so bad at makeup. I should never attempt to do wings. I called my sister an hour ago. I've not heard anything back. I'm gonna go and get coffee without her. We got the makeup done. I'm so close to my face. It's a terrible angle. And that's my OOTD. Thanks for watching. We're going to get some coffee now.
I'm not driving though.
Okay, let's get the heck out of here, right? I see people vlogging and driving all the time and I don't know if it's illegal or not. There's a cop right there though. The line was super short, surprisingly. The guy was super nice at the taking my order. I don't know what I got. Hopefully it says on my drink what I got because I have no idea. So let's try this. I've already tried it, I'm not gonna lie. Someone's getting pulled over. I'm so nosy. This is what I got. I don't know what it is. It was like a French toast, something with like sprinkles on top, but I got it without the sprinkles. It's actually really good. I like the foam on top of it. I see like one person looking at me, I'll put my camera down and I'm like, okay, I'm done vlogging. I don't want to vlog anymore. I'm too embarrassed. I got to Costco, my gas thing's on the wrong side, and I was just like, I'm just gonna leave and hop around because I went on the wrong side. And I don't know if it's gonna reach and I don't want to risk it because there's a lot of people here, so bye. Today is just not my day, huh, Beckham? Oh my gosh, it was just a disaster at that Costco thing. I went there and I literally had to sit there. There was like a line behind me and I'm sitting there trying to insert my card and it just kept saying decline, decline, decline. And I'm like, I have a credit card, it's not gonna be declined. I kept sitting there and like doing it and then the guy had to come up to me and he's like, you're having some issue. Well, first off, I went to the wrong side and then I had to drive all the way around and the guy, like the first thing he said, he's like, weren't you over there? And I was like, yeah, you know, I just didn't want to chance it, okay? You don't have to call me out. Do you ever feel like you have something and you can't remember what it is? Like, I swear I have something today. It's Friday. Maybe today I need to do something fun so that I can show you guys that my life isn't just driving around and drinking coffee. I'm kind of like Emma Chamberlain in that way. I'm her if she had 2 kids. I just feel that. I feel that for me, personally. We've been sitting in this parking lot for like, how long have we been sitting here? Like 30 minutes? I'm surprised Beckham's still just chilling. We filmed some TikToks. while we were sitting there. So if you don't follow us on TikTok already, follow us on TikTok. Somebody decided it would be just icing on the cake of today to poop in their pants. I love mom life. I'm gonna go deal with my toddler and his shiz. I'm gonna go do that. Now that that's all taken care of, time to get some lunch. Such a great combination of events. Got your pants on? Being a mom is just so glamorous. So glamorous. We love it. Anyways.
No, don't leave.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say that we're heading out to get Jace some lunch. Okay, bye. I'm so bad at vlogging. Okay, I went to Jimmy John's and got a sandwich. And I'm eating my chips now. They're always so hard.
Hey, sweetheart.
Welcome to the vlog.
Becca.
This one's yours, because I got you the bigger one. I got myself the $5 little one. Oh, there's someone right there. This is kind of awkward. I feel so awkward when I'm vlogging and someone sees me. There's like one little tiny piece of meat.
One bite.
Oh!
How come you pull that thing off?
I was just trying to figure out what I should do about how I should, if I'm vlogging, how I can mount a car mount. Oh my gosh, could you imagine me, a car vlogger?
So you just post it to YouTube or what?
What do you mean? This is a vlog, babe. Do you not know what a vlog is? It stands for visit long of guest on my channel.
Video log.
Oh. That makes more sense. This is my video vlog. You know my lip. Beckham headbutted me in the head yesterday when he got mad. Do you guys see it?
Oh. Hey.
Is that silly? Did you get Daddy's apron? I'm trying to do this gallery wall, but it's a lot harder than it looks. And I'm pretty sure it's off center. This is what I got going. Got the gallery wall all up. Looks pretty good actually. I'm gonna start making some dinner before Jace gets home. Lime smells so freaking good. I'm always terrified. I'm gonna like grate off my fingers. The spice. Squeeze some lime juice in the jalapeno. My hands are so weak. Can't even get it all. Honey, you're home!
My name is...
Honey, Janelle's here.
Janelle! Oh my gosh!
Cutting up some onions. Did you notice anything?
You're putting a camera in my face? Oh my goodness, honey, look at this. It's beautiful.
Gonna cook the onions. My eyes. He's ready for some TV. Holy crap!
It's so bad, it's embarrassing.
I got white Play-Doh.
My problem when I'm cooking is I never know how much I'm supposed to be making, you know? I always overmake.
Just make enough for 2 people.
Okay, that's easier said than done, babe. Some peppy air. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Uh-oh, I think this pineapple's too big. And then add it to this. These are them. Ooh, they look good. Those jalapenos are so spicy.
Why is it spicy?
How is it?
It's so good, honey. Oh my gosh.
It's done. Okay, time to serve this baby up. Oh gosh. I mean, yum. It's probably fine. It'll be fine.
What about our phone light every time we go into our room?
Mmm. The talent. Okay guys, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I'm watching The Bachelorette right now, getting all caught up, even though I know who won because somebody thought it would be a great idea to post it on their story. So I already know who won, so I'm just gonna act like I don't though and be surprised, be like, oh my gosh, I had no idea he was gonna win.
Each and every day is just astonishing. He's
Why you gotta do this to me?